Hello and welcome to Com 712. It's Dr. Spates here giving you your weekly checklist. We are in week 15 and I just want to make a couple clarifications. I know the schedule is a little bit off, but I'm adjusting so that some of you who need a little bit of extra time and need to check in have that opportunity. So the first thing that I want to tell you is that the research article number 2, that assignment, will not be due until April 30th. That is next Monday. It will not be due today. It's not even available yet, but you'll see it available today, very shortly on Blackboard, and it will be available. It will be available to you until next Monday. So that will be due on April 30th by 11:59 p.m. In addition to that, that is your only assignment because I want you to focus on the final paper. So this is going to be a check-in week, kind of part 2. So we're going to continue with appointments. Those of you who would like to check in, hold a Zoom conference, or stop by the office, have face-to-face, we can do that. Or you can send some things by email and I'll get you feedback as you would like. Keep in mind that this is a check-in for the method section. So we're focusing specifically on the 3 sections that make up the method part of the paper, which are sample, procedure, and instrumentation. So by sample, we're asking you to describe in this part of it the collection of people that took your survey. So tell me about their age, their sex, their ethnicity, the how many males, how many females, the different ethnicities, their range in age, the averages. Those types of information pieces will be specific for the sample part of the method section. Also, if there's a specific location that you used or that you went to collect data, that will be helpful too, so we know where these people are located, or where did you find them. For the procedure section, I'm simply asking you to detail the information as if you were giving someone the recipe for success for this research study. So if I was an unknown reader and I wanted to replicate your study, if I can replicate it based on reading the procedure section, you have done it correctly. So I want to know, what did you use? Did you use SurveyMonkey? Did you use Qualtrics to develop your survey? Did you send it out through social media, or did you have people fill it out on paper? Were they greeted with information and then items on the survey? Were they thanked at the end? Those types of things are all important to understanding how data was collected. Did you have to get permission from an organization before you collected data? Did you have to ask for a certain amount of people to stop in to take the survey? Tell me in detail what happened in the procedure section, and you want to be able to explain it in a way where someone can replicate it, okay? Finally, in the instrumentation section, think about this question. What measures did you use? Some of you are using the measures that were available on the McCroskey website. Others of you found surveys from other articles, so you want to be able to cite that. Tell me what items were included. Did you use all 70 items, or did you use 5 or 6 of the items for a subsection? Also, if it's available, what's the reliability score known as the Cronbach's Alpha for that survey? Established surveys that are in journals usually report a Cronbach's Alpha, and it's usually like it'll have a little weird sign, and it'll say 0.7 or 0.8 or 0.9, which is a really good score for a reliability. So if that's available, sometimes they're not available or you can't find it, and that's okay as well. But if you did see an alpha reliability score, go ahead and report that in your instrumentation section. Other than that, you are always free to ask questions, email me, follow up with me, and we can meet in person through Zoom conference, or we can meet through email. I will make myself available to you once again this week. Most of you are moving forward and doing really well. Others of you have had a few questions, so I'm here for you and happy to help. I am looking forward to reading all of your papers soon. We have about 3 weeks until the end of the semester, so continue working hard and doing your best, and I will see you all at the finish line in just a few weeks. Have a great week 15 and take care. See you next week.